What do you think about the new logo? The color palette could be better, but I don't really care. What do you think about the new logo now? It does kind of look like the GameCube logo though. No, 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 please stop. No, please. 0. I give this a 0. Please make it stop. When you forget to remove the default sphere collider.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I have never done VR, but similar things have happened to me. For example, forgetting to freeze the character's rigid body is something I think has happened to many of us. And that deserves a nice, meaningless 8 out of 10.
Hello, I'm Oksana, and Jarushi was too lazy to do an intro, so here we go. That guy produces games, plays yours, and procreate. Pioneer's music. Anyways, gotta go water the plants.
You better hope you fix it on the first try. Yeah, compile times can get pretty annoying. You know, I think that's why creating new projects is so addicting. Everything is just a breeze. You don't have to worry about assembly definitions, the unit tests you didn't make, and all that crap you don't want to have to deal with. I give this Unreal has it worst out of 10. When you apply the wrong material to an object. I think this one is pretty straightforward. Unity should just have a material preview thing, and I rate this. You know you're doing well when you overclock your CPU for Unity packages imports, but not for games. Yeah, it's frustrating having to reinstall them every time you start a new project. But if that's a major problem for you, make sure you're running on an SSD out of 10. My Unity wishes for Christmas, stuff that just work. Finally, I invented the ugliest color, and it's the default 2D background color. I mean, it's not that bad. You can do way worse, like having it pure white, pure black, or the old Unity light theme color out of 10. When Z and Y are reversed and you gotta re-export the model. But in Unity, I think it would be the opposite, cause Y is up by default. Also, this meme kind of unintentionally reminds me of when you import a random model of the internet and its pivot point is all messed up, like it's freaking huge. When you scale it down, it doesn't stay centered because of the screwed up pivot point, and you just can't scale it to align with anything. Anyways, this meme is pretty expendable, so it deserves a generalized out of 10. Oh no, oh no, no! Okay, so I don't have any more videos, but please try to stay in touch. I'll have some stuff coming soon.